Everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Sublime Text 3.1.1. So that's been said, let's get started. So to install Sublime Text 3.1.1, we have to download the file. For that, open your favorite browser and search for Sublime Text and open the link from sublimetext.com. Don't worry about the link will be on the description box. And from the menu, click on download. Here you can see the latest version of Sublime Text is 3.1.1, and here you have to select your operating system. So here you find Windows and here you find Windows 64. This is for 32-bit version and this is for 64-bit version. So if you don't know whether your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit, for that right click on Start button, then go to System, and under Device Specification, here you find System Type is equals to 64-bit. So my system is 64-bit, so I'm going to download the 64-bit version of Sublime Text. Let me click on Windows 64-bit. Here you can see that sublimetext.exe file is downloading and it is around 9 MB. So my download has been completed. Let me click on this setup.exe file. Click on yes. Here we have setup wizard. So let me minimize my browser and let me click on next. And here you have to select your installation location. So I will suggest you to keep it default and then click on next. And again click on next. Here you can see ready to install. So to install Sublime Text 3 on Windows 10, just click on install button. Here you can see that Sublime Text 3 is installing on my system. So my installation has been completed. Let me click on finish. Here let me search for Sublime Text. Here we have Sublime Text 3. So let me open this Sublime Text. So here we have Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a cross-platform source code editor. With the help of this Sublime Text, you can write your programming language such as Python, PHP, C++, Java, HTML and many more other languages. So this way you can download and install Sublime Text 3.1.1. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.